Here I'm going to show you a simple way to make an adverse weather condition fire starter. This will be a goo that you will be able to contain in, for example, a plastic soda bottle and take on your camping trip. And if the materials are all wet, when you light it up, it will burn for a very long time so as to dry out your wood and get your fire started. So basically all you need for this is a little bit of gasoline and a lot of styrofoam. It uses a lot of styrofoam for a little bit of gas. So that's basically what you do. Don't breathe the fumes for this. When you burn it, don't breathe the smoke, and it will burn for quite some time, so just be careful of that. We're only going to use about that much gas, and that will make enough goo to burn for probably about 5 minutes. So from there, basically you just start putting in chunks of styrofoam, and for quite a while, the styrofoam, as you stir it in there, it'll just dissolve in the gas. And then once the gas becomes saturated with the styrofoam, instead of dissolving, it will start turning into a rubbery goo. So basically I'm just going to be stirring in and adding this stuff. Again, don't breathe the fumes. I'm not too worried about it because I very rarely make this stuff, and I'm in a fairly open environment. But just as a precaution, it'd be better to wear a mask if you have one while you're doing this. And this is going to take a while for dissolving this stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and cut and come back to you when it's getting ready. Okay, so that little amount of gas and a huge chunk of styrofoam, we've made about that much goo, and that's going to be more than enough for our purposes. So I'm going to go show you how this works. I have this little fire pit here, that right there. And a match. Moment. And I dropped the match. Okay, and so we see it's getting a little bit of flame there, and as I said, don't breathe the smoke. That'll burn for a good 5 minutes. And so I'm gonna, just to demonstrate how it does, I'm just gonna dump wood on it. And all this wood is pretty moist. It's been raining lately. And having a little trouble seeing through the viewfinder, so not sure if I got a good angle. There we go. And it's going. It's drying out the wet wood. Burning away. So there you have it, a fire starter for your adverse weather conditions.